Welcome to Atmaneem Nature Cure, one of India's premier naturopathy retreats located in Rajkot, Gujarat. Atmaneem is a one-stop solution for all your lifestyle-related disorders. Issues like acidity, insomnia, diabetes, blood pressure, obesity have become very common. It is indeed time to go back to the Vedic way of life. Experience an ultimate life-changing experience with the help of naturopathy, Ayurveda, yoga, physiotherapy, and other special therapies under the expert guidance of naturopathy doctors at Atmaneem. Let's show you around. Fish therapy to treat your feet. Acupuncture to reduce overall stress. State-of-the-art modern physiotherapy center. Cryolipolysis to remove fat cells from the body. Raga therapy to calm your mind. Prescribed therapeutic massage to treat your muscles, joints, and blood flow. Special vibro massage to give you a very unique massaging experience. Far infra detox to remove toxins and burn calories. Panchakarma therapy to strengthen the immune system. Steam to cleanse the pores of the skin. Circulate jet to increase blood circulation. Herbal bath to nourish the skin with vital ingredient. Hydrotherapy to treat spine, hip, arm and feet. Whirlpool to give you a rejuvenating bathing experience. Yoga and meditation to awaken your inner energy centers. In the sprawling 17 acres of Atmaneem campus, celebrate life. Explore the campus strolling around in the herbal garden. Dive into the swimming pool, swing your racket on the tennis court, catch up with some exciting movies, and finally move into the luxurious apartments. Hit the bed reading your favorite bedtime book. At Atmaneem, you don't book a day, but you book an experience. Life's made very simple here. Breathe right, eat right, and live right. Come to Atmaneem and change your life.